Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wood chisel that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Haas 8% Craftsman Woodworking Wood Chisel Set. This 8-piece chisel set is perfect for the beginning woodworker or for those who need to replace or upgrade their current equipment. The steel alloy blades keep their edge quite well and the ergonomic handles allow you to maintain your grip with ease. You will also receive a sharpening stone and honing guide. The chisels can handle a blow from your hammer, yet have the versatility for hand chiseling when needed. You will not be disappointed by this affordable set. This is an 8-piece chisel set that includes 6x chisels 38mm, 32mm, 25mm, 19mm, 13mm, 6mm, 1x sharpening stone, and 1x honing guide. The chisels come with an ergonomically designed handle to provide you with more comfort and control when using them. The blades are also heat-treated and they offer narrow side bevels. These tools have smaller and thinner bevels, which allow for greater maneuverability and controllability. With this, you can complete those subtle decorative carvings that need exercising great motor skills. If you are looking for the best woodworking chisels that you can use to handle a wide range of woodworking jobs, this is the right chisel set for you. This unit also comes in a blow-molded plastic storage case, making it very easy to store and transport. Moving on at number 4, we have the Haas 8% Craftsman Woodworking Wood Chisel Set. These chisels are surprisingly versatile and strong. Made from a fine-grained chrome and manganese steel alloy, they have been hardened to RC59 so you receive a strong tool. Sizes range from 6 to 26mm and each features a bevel that has been ground at 25 degrees. The handles are what really stand out with this set, as each has been handcrafted from European beechwood. The natural grip and the overall size of each chisel give you the leverage you need to create consistently and successfully. Narex is a tool manufacturing company based in the Czech Republic. This brand makes exceptional tools, with the focus of making your work easier. This 4-piece set consists of chisels with 1 to 1/32 of an inch, 13/16 of an inch, 1/2 inches, and 1/4 of an inch blade sizes. The different blade sizes of this unit allow for versatility when working on any type of product. Narex designed the blades to handle working with any type of wood. It is also highly durable and it was constructed to withstand corrosion. The handles of this chisel are 5.5 inches long, making them super comfortable and easy to hold. Narex also integrated 2 ferrules into the handle to prevent it from splitting when tapping the cap. The only downside with these chisels is that you need to sharpen them regularly, as they get blunt pretty fast. Besides that, they are good to go. At number 3, we have the DeWalt DWHT16063 Short Blade Wood Chisel. It is difficult to discuss the best chisels on the market today without bringing up at least one set by this manufacturer. This 4-piece set gives you the hardened and tempered chrome carbon steel blades that give you a superior edge. The strike cap has been hardened so that you have extra durability and protection of the tool there as well. Each blade has been lacquered for extra protection against chrome, while the grip gives you a superior level of comfort. Pick up this affordable set and you will not be disappointed. DeWalt is famous for its commitment to making high-performing and high-quality tools. This unit comes with a carrying case that makes it very easy for you to store and transport all the 4 pieces. If you are looking for the best chisels to increase your collection of hand tools or replace your old chisels, then the DeWalt DWHT16063 is one of the best options to consider. Unlike the product we reviewed above, these chisels from DeWalt have an impressive edge retention ability, thanks to the construction material. The handles of these chisels are made from a blend of 2 long-lasting and ultra-strong materials. This helps to provide you with all the comfort and durability you need. The handles can also withstand impacts from different kinds of mallets, thanks to their sturdy construction. The sizes of chisels in this set are 1 inch, 3/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch, and 1/4 inch. This set contains all the basic and essential chisels you need to handle a wide range of wood carving projects. The downside to this unit is that it does not come with a honing guide, which means you have to purchase it separately in order to maintain the sharpness of your chisels. At number 2, we have the Irwin Tools Marples Woodworking Chisel Set. These long blade chisels make quick work of your woodworking chores. Although the polypropylene handle can get a little slick with continued use, the forged steel blades do provide consistent results. The edge is retained quite well with these chisels and they withstand mallet work remarkably well. Each tool is backed by a full lifetime guarantee in defects from materials or craftsmanship. The longest chisel is 11 inches in length, while the shortest is 9.5 inches, so you will have plenty of leverage to get your work done with this set. If you are looking for a hassle-free chiseling experience, then you should consider this option. These chisels are a bit larger, which means you can finish your project in less time with less energy. With the ergonomic design of the handles, you can hold and work with these chisels for hours without growing blisters or experiencing any fatigue. Due to the construction of these blades, they remain sharp and deliver great performance even after being subjected to abusive and intense use. The handle of these chisels can withstand forceful and constant hitting by wooden hammers. However, they might likely break with constant hitting with metal and steel hammers within a short time. This unit also offers flexibility, control, and maneuverability that you cannot find in other chisels on the market today. This is one of the best chisel sets on the market. It is designed for everyone, and you can use it on a wide range of projects. This set is highly reliable and you can use it for years without any issues. And finally at number 1, we have the Stanley Chisel Set. This micro-precision ground set of chisels gives you one of the best edges out of the box in the industry today. They are lacquered to prevent corrosion, with the hardwood handle providing the user with a solid grip that remains comfortable without fatigue. The impact resistance thanks to the end cap is solid as well, so the carbon chrome steel blades can continue to work consistently whenever there is a project to complete. A leather storage pouch comes with this set to further protect the product. If you are looking for a practical, functional, and high-performing chisel set that you can use to handle a variety of projects, then these are the best wood chisels for you. You can use this set to handle light to heavy-duty projects efficiently and smoothly. This is an all-purpose chisel set, as it comes with all the essential chisels you need for any kind of project. The blades of these chisels are super sharp and ready for use, as they come with a micro-precision grind. You might not need to be resharpening the blades frequently, thanks to their professional and sturdy construction. The blades also have great edge retention abilities, and this reduces the rate at which you sharpen them. This is a 5-piece set, and all the pieces come with handles made with lightweight and very strong hardwood. This feature helps to reduce resistance, providing you with a firm grip.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.